Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 14 Pro, replacing iPhone 14 Pro NAND chip. Let's get started. We already disassembled the layered motherboard. You are viewing microscopic view. Excessive heat will damage others' micro-components. We use tape to protect another component, so be careful during this operation. Now we are removing NAND iPhone 14 Pro motherboard through hot gun. Now cleaning the motherboard connectors. This is our new NAND chip. Installing the new NAND. And that's it. We've successfully replaced iPhone 14 Pro NAND. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.